If you're seeing a Lucidchart template error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without wasting time. We'll cover creating a fresh copy of the template, refreshing the document, testing it in an incognito window, disabling browser extensions, and checking your access permissions. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to try is creating a new copy of the template. Open the template that's showing the error, then go to File in the top menu. If you see the option, click Make a Copy. This is one of the simplest ways to fix a corrupted or glitchy template, because sometimes the original file has a problem that the copied version doesn't inherit. Once the copy is created, open it and check whether the error is still there. If the copy works normally, you've already found your solution. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to refresh the document. Before you do that, save any unsaved changes so you don't lose work. Then refresh your browser page and give Lucidchart a moment to reload everything fully. Sometimes the template error is caused by a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. After the page reloads, open the template again and see if it loads properly. If refreshing doesn't fix it, test the template in an incognito or private browsing window. Open a new incognito window, sign into your Lucidchart account, and try opening the same template there. If the template works in incognito mode, that usually means something in your regular browser is interfering with Lucidchart. In that case, the most likely cause is cache data or cookies, so you may need to clear your browser cache and cookies in your normal window. Another very common fix is disabling browser extensions. Open your browser's extensions page and temporarily turn off anything that could interfere with web apps, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, or privacy tools. These can sometimes stop Lucidchart templates from loading correctly or cause unexpected errors. After disabling the extensions, refresh the template and check if the problem is gone. If it works, you can turn the extensions back on one at a time to find the one causing the issue. If you still see the error, the next thing to verify is your access. Make sure you actually have permission to edit the template. If someone shared the template with you, confirm that the owner granted the right access. And if it's a premium template, check that your Lucidchart plan supports it. Sometimes the error isn't a file problem at all. It's simply a permissions issue. Once your access is confirmed, reopen the template and test it again. At this point, one of these fixes usually resolves the issue. The key is to go through them in order, starting with the easiest and most common problems first. If the template is corrupted, a copy can help. If the page just glitched, a refresh may be enough. If the browser is the problem, incognito mode or extensions are usually the clue. And if none of that works, permissions are the final thing to check. If this video helped you fix your Lucidchart template error, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you find more quick step-by-step fixes when you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.